How to share any Excel document through Wi-Fi direct. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document with Wi-Fi direct, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Excel and choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and now click on this share option here in the top corner and click on share as attachment. Choose workbook, and now here you will find some options. Click on Wi-Fi direct and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.